So now we're on lesson 30. I would say we're through the most difficult part of this chapter, so that's pretty cool. Page 21, we're doing vertical lines and horizontal lines. Get my pen ready. Come on. So a vertical line looks like this, straight up and down. Horizontal line is like that, like a flat one. So to do this, we're going to do a little exploration. Let's see if I can fit all this. It's a little bit small, but I want you to see the graph on the box. So on our graph, I'm going to just label these 2 points. This is 5, 4, and the other one is -3, 4. So for the little box that says write down the 2 coordinate points, -3, 4, and 5, 4. What do they share in common? Their y values match, so I'm just going to say y equals 4. What's this line's equation? Y equals 4. Now, if you want to relate this back to y equals mx plus b, it's actually y equals up 0 over 1x plus 4. So this just cancels out. That's why you're left with y equals 4. Now to do the next one, our vertical line, that is the point 2, 4, and this is the point 2, -1. So write down our points. Oh boy. 2, 4, 2, -1. What do they share in common? Well, in this case, their x values match. So this is the really weird line. What's the line's equation? X equals 2. Really weird. So x equals is a vertical line. Y equals makes a horizontal. Okay, let's go to the next page and see how this works. So here is our definition for a horizontal line. Y equals, what constant means is a number, okay? Any number, that would say it's a horizontal. There's no x thing going on in here. But a vertical line is x equals some number. Okay, let's practice. So exercise number 2 says, which of the following equations represents a vertical line that passes through the point 5, -3? So because it's a vertical line, we know it's an x equals something. Look on your point, x, y, steal the x value. X equals 5. That's your answer. Now we're going to practice making equations. So for this guy, letter A, here's our line. So it's vertical. X equals, what's the x number? 1, 2, x equals 3. Try this one, letter B. It's a vertical, so it's an x equals, what's the x number? 1, 2, 3, 4. -4. Now this one is a horizontal line, so that's going to be a y equals, and the y value is -1. Vertical line, x equals, and then you just carefully count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Letter E is horizontal, so that's a y equals 1, 2, 3, 4. The y value is 4. And then the last one is horizontal, and our y value is 2. The hardest part about this lesson is remembering which is horizontal and which is vertical. Last 2 questions for the notes. For each of the following, give the equation of the line shown or described. Okay, so letter G, the equation of a vertical line, so that's going to be x equals passing through the point -4, 5. Steal that x number. That's your equation. Letter H, the equation of a horizontal line, so that's y equals passing through the point 3, 2. Steal the y number, and there's your equation. Now your graphing calculator can graph horizontal lines. It cannot graph vertical lines. That's supposed to be a not. because the vertical line fails the vertical line test, it's not a function. Anyhow, so you're going to work on your homework 24, 25, and I'll meet you back here for page 26.